Guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel, RWCB. Guys, kasama ko ngayon ng mga colleagues ko. Binigyan kami ng aming manager ng coupon for free dinner dito sa Enigma Restaurant. Good for 6 person pero yung tatlo hindi namin nakasama. Guys, samahan nyo kami, mag-dinner tayo. Guys, sa ambience pa lang sa venue, perfect, nakakamis. Guys, come with us, share ko sa inyo ang napakagandang ambience dito sa loob. Oh guys, binigyan na tayo ng starter dish sa restaurant. Guys, habang nag-aantay, kain muna tayo dito sa siniserve nilang starter dish. Guys, napaka-unique, napaka-amis. Tingnan nyo guys, umuusok-usok pa yung starter dish na na-serve nila. Oh. Guys, so fantastic and extraordinary moment na experience namin ngayon.
Sana all.
Guys, nag-serve naman sila ulit ng starter dish. Itong starter dish na to, ito yung package na offer sa coupon.
A few moments later.
At last guys, dumating na yung main dish. Takam na ako kumain guys. So, napakasarap. Tingnan mo lang, picture pa lang, perfect. Guys, kain na tayo, banat na tayo.
Nice. Later.
Guys, what's up? Guys, tapos na tayong kumain. Dito na tayo sa dessert. Guys, share ko sa inyo kung paano sila mag-serve ng dessert. Guys, dito pa talaga sa harapan namin ginagawa yung dessert. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. See, nakaka-excite.
Just as surprised.
Guys, nakita natin meron pang smoky presentation kung mag-serve sila ng dessert. Extraordinary and the best moment talaga to.
Very famous in India. Iranian traditional dessert. Now it's getting so great. Of pastry. Homemade saffron ice cream. Twisted.
Lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing certain, I'll always be yours.
One hour later.
Guys, gusto na kong pasalamatan ang among manager nga naghatag sa coupon. Shout out to Mr. Khalid. Guys, sobrang enjoy. Busog kami. It's a extraordinary experience. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay at pagsuporta. At kung bago ka pa sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Don't forget also to hit the notification bell button para updated ka sa mga bagong videos. Guys, hanggang sa muli. See you next time for more videos. Bye-bye!